Hi friends, today I am going to give you some tips whenever you're going to make any website that will be really helpful for you. Just let me log in here. So whenever you're going to make any website, first of all you can either use table or div. So if you are using div, it will be really helpful for you and for the website because it takes less time to load. Another important point is that whenever you are going to use div or span, what happens for div? So for example, if you are writing div 1 and you are writing another div 1, so the element whatever is coming inside div 1 and the elements whatever coming inside div 2, it will be going to the next line. But in case of span, so you can write 2-3 spans in the same line, so it is some kind of inline. And how we actually use css, so if you are going to style any website, that point of time you have to use css. So there are three different points through which you can use css. First one is inline, and the second one is internal, and the third one is external. So if you are going to use external css, so that point of time you have to create one css file, and that css file you can include in your website. And another pretty cool thing is that there are different icons coming up in different softwares or even in websites. So I'm talking about a website. So if you want to use icons in your website, you can either use your own css file, or there are different css files available in internet. So there css files you can like use in your website, and the classes you can use in your website from that css file. So it is really pretty cool. So for example, I'm just taking one example. So there is one like hand or traffic signal, or one book, or one car. So that kind of icons you will be able to make through your own css files, or from other css files. So in one css file, either you are writing your own css classes, or you are importing css files from another companies, and you are using those classes for making those icons. So it will be really very cool. In any website there will be one registration form and one sign in form. So whenever you are going to make this registration form and sign in form, you have to create one good css file. And another important thing is that the color whatever you are using in the website, it normally depends uh, upon the customers, or it depends upon the requirement provided by the business, that what kind of color you are going to use. So for one website there is few things. The first one is header, and the second one is footer, and you can also include left menu, right menu, and body section is also there. So this is all for today. I hope it is really helping you for making any website. So this kind of ideas are required whenever you are going to make any website. This is all. Thank you so much. See you soon.